Hai, Assalamualaikum. Selamat datang ke High Slim Channel, channel yang memaparkan gameplay short horror dan sangat tengahnya lah. Okey, yang mana game-game seram, game-game yang kata apa, agak mengganggu ni. So, channel ni kita bagi yang short supaya korang boleh tengok dengan santai, okey? So boleh ajak lagi kawan-kawan yang tu sepatutnya ending yang aku cakap tu. Tapi tak apa. Terima kasih for those yang baru singgah, baru tengok, baru tonton. Selamat datang aku ucapkan. So please enjoy the gameplay, alright? And untuk kali ini kita nak main pawn shop. Aku dapat daripada H2IO. Lah, kita tengok kredit sikit lah ya. Alright, tak ada benda. So kita boleh teruskan ke game, right? Let's go. Oh, by the way, arahan awal tadi dia dah kata ada loud noise and jump scare game ni. So tengok macam mana dia punya jump scare. First week on the job, alright. Uish, kedai senjata ke apa ni? Come back to 6 AM so I can leave even if I finish my shift earlier. I still don't understand what the shop need to. It's not gonna like that. Talk to the daytime employee. Sekejap. Sensitivity kita tingkat sikit lah. Okay, should be okay ni kot. Buat gelapnya. Sekejap. Halo. Ui, tengok. Ada flare gun tu. Kalau tembak tu dapat ni. Apa? PUBG tu. Dapat barang baik kan. Oh, AWM. Bang. Hey there. Hello, how are you doing? Name's Dan. You're a bit late, but that's alright. Yeah, sorry about that. Never stay on the job. I could barely find this place. Family You know what to do. If you have any question, call me and I'll be doing my best. Just make sure the Cinderful killer doesn't get you. Huh? Cinderful killer? Cinderful killer, you know. It's guy in a yellow shirt who pretends to be an employee and kills night shift on the first day on the... Wow. Engkau pun pakai baju kuning ni. Engkau ke Cinderful killer? Got you. Masam. Kita kena prank tu. Kena gula-gula macam tu je. You might not. Okay, I'm sorry. Bye for real. Oh. Nampak sombong jalan tu. Kan. Tama. What's wrong with that dude? Anyway, time to start my shift, I guess. Go to counter and wait for customer. Wih, flagan tu. Tutuplah pintu bang. Iyalah, wait lah. Tengok ada apa kat belakang ni. Kita ada microwave. Kita ada TV. Kita ada computer. What did I expect? Ain't no one coming to a pawn shop this late. To sweep the floor now. Get the place ready for the morning. Oh, tak boleh lari lah. Ini jatuh. Okay, settle. Oh, lama gak. Mana lagi? Return the broom. Oh, ada bilik sini. Okay, go to the counter and wait for customer. Alright. Mana customer? Saya dah sedia. That's very tiring. I think I deserve a break after all. I wait for customer. Curi tulang. Stealing bone. 1 pagi. What I'm to complain is money for literally doing nothing. Betul lah tu. Someone's coming. Okay, I need to get ready. Ada ke? Aku tak nampak pun. Oh. Okay. Someone's coming. Selamat datang, abang. Aku dah lama tak main game jadi pekerja kedai ni. Oi, lenggak-lenggok. Press E, huh? Get to the counter. Aku memang kat sini dah pun. Welcome to Lucky Fine Pawn Shop. How can I help you today? I would like to pawn this VHS player, please. It's left over from a garage sale. What will you give me for it? Set or refuse VHS ni terrefuse lah. It's too damaged and old. It's not gonna have any resale value. Sorry bang. Lain kali lah bawa barang yang elok sikit. Ini bagi yang dah jadam. Oh, basically kita ada jual radio, tape, senjata, kapak, weapon, CD apa ni? CD lama. Tisu pun ada. So ini tisu ke apa ni? Tisu tu, bag, keyboard, board, gitar, drum set, tukul pun ada. Ni apa? Drum punya tu. Dulu. Bawa kerja sikit dah nak break. Maybe I should call them and see if I did something wrong. Oh, off. Phone okay lah. I wanted to ask about the budget thing that I saw. I don't know if I'm doing. Set limitation or how much. Oh, okay. To correct me. Oh, okay. Set really sale. Okay, very important to know what you are spending. Hello for pay you for example is a bad price to pay in good shape. Tapi cerita dia kita tak accept pun. Oh, pukul 2 dah. Okay. Nak balik
I done said happy birthday to your girlfriend Ray Ray 10 minutes ago. Now I'm gonna say it again. Happy birthday, Ray Ray.
Happy birthday, Ray Ray.
Oh my God!
Mana ni? Now I understand maybe to watch him. Oh.
Good thing we're a doctor.
Maybe I should get some vending machine outside, but I didn't bring anyone with me. I'll just take some from the sister. Oh, ini curi harta company. Siapa dah buka pintu ni tak tutup? Mana? Ui, ada orang ke tadi? Ni kat sini ada orang. Oh, alamak, macam mana? Panik. Beli dulu makanan. Okay, sudah orang. Apa? Kita jalan ke belakang. Kok dia keluar tiba-tiba? Yang ni pun tak boleh nak lari. Macam mana aku nak lari ni ya? Kalau kena kejar ni. Okay. Pasang table. Okay, lepas tu kena buat apa? Okay. Aku kena pulangkan duit ke? Buat apa? Beli lagi ke? Ui. Whoa. I didn't mean to. I was just trying to buy one of those guitar over there as birthday gift. On the display. Abang, patutlah. Aku nak try buat ni. Okay. Lepas tu apa? Makan. Bukan juga. Kena buat apa weh? Got a sponge on the table. Oh, ini sponge apa weh? Ini macam pemadam papan putih weh. Apa cerita kita tak boleh makan ni? Oh, janganlah ada benda melintas. Return the sponge. Time to wait for more customer, I guess. Bila kita nak makan? Bila? I never imagined the night shift to be. Ada bunyi weh. Ada bunyi ke dia? Mantap. Oh yeah. Mantap. Oh, terbaik. Time ni lah padam. Standby lah guys. Aduh, seram. Aduh. Janganlah. Alamak. Oh, ada bunyi kat semak. Ada bunyi kat semak tu. I'm watching you. Run back. Macam mana aku nak run? Aku tak boleh run. Oh, tu. Tu. There's someone there. Run back. How? Like how? Oh. Tak boleh ke kau angkat satu senjata ni? Wih! Dan. That was not cool, man. Asyik baik kapak tu tak boleh tau ambil. Tengok tu keluar tak reti pula nak tutup. Oh, sabar tu. Kek ni payet oi. Dahsyat. Marah betul lu dengan Dan. Bagi tu dengan owner, suruh pecat dia. Okay. Ada orang sudah sampai. Slow jalan. Press E, go to counter and talk to the customer. Welcome, like. Ever. Refuse. Akhirnya, thanks. Ni betul keluar pintu. Tak tutup pun. Abang tak tutup pun bang. Bang, tak tutup pun pintu. Aish. Lagi sekali. Man. Aku rasa kali kedua ni dah bukan main-main dah ni. Seram tu. Alamak. Go back to the counter and call 911. Tak tahu gimana. Tak tahu nak gimana. Ada orang ke tu? Bukan dah. Itu kaki mesin gergang. Call 911. Call 911. Hey. Tutup dulu. Tadi sana aku nak call 911. Emergency. What's your emergency? See what lucky on the sky. Press is pulling pyramid. He cut the power to the building multiple times and said him as a joke, but I asked him to leave, but he's still looking around. Thanks. Huh? Apa cerita? Eh. You shouldn't done that. Siapa cakap tu? Polis pun. Total policeman. Did you find him, officer? I searched the entire forest around the building, but I couldn't. Yo lah tu. Search entire forest.
Bruh.
Tolonglah, aku nak pegang kapak tu je. Apa nama jadi gak tu? Macete. Wih, lama gak game ni. Yaman customer, laju sikit. Oi. Mak slow ni jalan. Welcome to Lucky. Apa nama dia? Lucky Pawn Shop. Press E. Wow, bergaji. What does my friend offer? What do you think? Memang aku tak nak jual apa-apa pun. Your loss. Patutnya aku nak ambil ke gaji tu untuk aku protect diri aku. Oh. Okay. Ada lagi ke barang yang jatuh? Okay. Oh, gitar. Nak ni please. And wait for customer. Wait lagi. Tidur. Apa hal tu? Ngantuk ke bang? Oh. Oh, tidur kat meja. Sudahlah. Sudah, macam mana nak tunjuk What the heck? Tu. Tu ada orang. Ada orang nampak tak tu? Hello. Kita. Hello. Do you want to play a little game? Who is this? I'm the one you call the police on. Rather an interesting turn of event, right? Did you do this? You thought it was Dan this whole time? You should have seen the look on his face when he saw me. Dan was telling you how to be resourceful. Were you resourceful? I don't know. Tu dia tu, kat luar tu. Apa kau nak buat? Oh, teruk Dan. Oh. Abang gaji ni. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to escape. Tak ada gaji. Oh no. Sudah aku bilang. Kau ngantuk, aku ngantuk dah. Oh my god, Dan. Kejap. Tapi aku tak angkat lagi ke gaji. You died. Okay, kali ni kita cuba lari ke belah kanan. Kan? Sebab aku tak rasa aku ada gaji. Aduh. Alamak. Ha. Macam mana?
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so kali ni kita dah beli gergaji daripada apa, pembunuh tu. Right, jom tengok ending, first ending Tadi kita kena apa, second ending kan, sebab kita tak beli. So kita tengok yang apa, first ending macam mana. Right, okay, dia dah tidur. Let's go. Woi, kau yang ngantuk, aku yang muak. Dahsyat ni orang, tidur berdiri. Okay, inilah masanya. Okay, gergaji kita ada dekat belakang tu tau. Kita tak kat display, kita letak dekat pintu belakang. Okay, standby sama. Okay, ni aku cepatkan Alright, come on, 5 saat. Okay, dia bagi 5 saat. Oi. Oh, lari. Lari. Shot. Lari bang. Oh, jauh nak lari ni. Ke tepi. Oh, settle. Good ending. Yeah. Baik. Oh, dia tunjuk opening balik. Okay. Alright guys, so akhirnya kita berjaya juga mendapat ending. Kedua-dua ending sebenarnya. Okay. Alright. Aku dah try tadi kan, korang tengok aku dah try untuk tak pergi pintu belakang tapi pintu depan, tapi still tak boleh lari juga kan. Okay, still die. But kita berjaya selesaikan and kita berjaya dapat ending yang baik. Okay, last tu aku ingatkan polis ada standby. Oh, dia lari je. Tak tahu pergi mana kan. Okay, so itu sajalah okay, gameplay untuk game pawn shop ini. So kita akan jumpa di next video. Sebelum tu, terima kasih kerana menonton. Terima kasih kerana saksikan gameplay ini. So aku harap korang enjoy. And please ajak lagi kawan-kawan, adik-adik, sanak saudara untuk tonton channel ini. Okay, so bertemu lagi di lain hari. Bye. Peace yo. Lagi